We see them always testing our vocabulary when it comes to rate. They see in our options here that they have per hour for each landscaper, a minimum job for like a minimum of 12 landscapers will work on each job. The price of every job increases by 12 every hour. And then 12 hours a day. So we have three that are talking about rate. And what they're asking of us about here in this problem is which of the following best interprets the number 12 in this expression. And in this expression, it's 60 plus 12 times n times h, right? These are being multiplied by each other, the 12, the n, and the h. And they're telling us that n represents the number of landscapers and h is the total number of hours. Well, since they're all being multiplied, we know we want to be dealing with an answer choice that gives us a rate. A minimum of 12 landscapers is not what's going on here. That sounds something more along the lines of what would be on your y-axis, plus the y-axis here is 60 anyway. So we can see that that's the initial charge, though that's not going to be relevant in this question. Then we have A, C, and D left over. And we look at the answer being correct for A, but let's figure out why D and C are wrong. D, each landscaper works 12 hours a day. Well, H represents the hours, and so that can change each day. That's a variable that changes, so that's not going to be it. And then it's A and C, and actually, technically, both of these are correct. A is just the better answer because it's $12 being increased for each landscaper and hour, whereas 12 is only talking about each hour. It's not giving you the full picture. Though theoretically in C, if you kept the same amount of landscapers and you just increased the hours, you'd be seeing just a bump in $12 for each hour. But they want to see which one of the following is the best interpretation.